नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग या चॅप्टरचा प्रॉब्लेम सेट बघणार आहोत. यातील सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स मी तुम्हाला अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत समजून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. चला तर सुरू करूया. नाव हिअर दी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राईट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह आन्सर फॉर each of the following questions. Okay, first, for different types of investments, what is the maximum permissible amount under section 80C of income tax? ओके, तर या ठिकाणी मॅक्झिमम परमिसिबल किती असतं तर 1,50,000 रुपीज. या 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 अंतर्गत एटीसी अंतर्गत आपण मॅक्झिमम 1,50,000 आपण गुंतवणूक करू शकतो, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करू शकतो. ओके, therefore the option A is a correct here. Now question number 2 here. A person has earned his income during the financial year 2017-18. Then his assessment year is या फायनान्शियल इयरचा येणारं नंतरचं पुढचं इयर असतं. मीन्स व्हॉट? दॅट इज अ 2018 and 19. Therefore here option B is a correct here. Assessment year is a 2018 and 19. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. Okay. Mr. Shekhar spent 60% of his income from the balance. Okay. He donates rupees 300 to an orphanage. He is then left with rupees 3,200. What is its income? Okay, now see this here. Solution. Let Mr. Shekhar's income be rupees X. He spent 60% of his income. He spent 60 upon 100 into X. आणि सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला येथे किती मिळतं? Okay, here you will get here 3, 20, 3s are 60 and 20, 5s are 100. Okay, therefore here 3 into x, 3x upon 5. He spent 3x upon rupees 3x upon 5. The balance amount is equals to rupees x minus 3x upon 5. If we simplify this, then you will get here 5x minus 3x upon 5. That is equals to rupees 2x upon 5. This is the balance. From this amount he donates rupees 300. Okay, त्याकडे हा बॅलन्स राहिल्यानंतर तरी देखील तो काय करतो तर डोनेट करतो रुपीज 300. द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट विथ हिम इज रुपीज 2x upon 5 minus 300. This is given to be rupees 3,200. Okay, that is a 2x upon 5 minus 300 is equals to 3,200. आता हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार इझी आहे. ते मल्टिप्लाय ऑन बोथ साइड्स बाय 5. दॅट इज 2x upon 5 into 5. 5 get cancelled. 300 into 5. Then you will get here 1,500. 3,200 into 5. Okay, then you will get here 16,000. Okay, now next simple simplification है. That is a 2x is equals to 16,000 plus 1,500. Then you will get here 17,500. Therefore x is equals to 17,500 upon 2. Therefore x is equals to 8,750. Therefore Mr. Shekhar's income is rupees 8,750. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay, his income is x, 60% he spent. Okay, remaining amount is a 2x upon 5. आणि यातनं देखील तो 300 काय करतो तर ते डोनेट करतो. Therefore 2x upon 5 minus 300 is equals to 3,200 multiplying on both sides by 5. Okay, then you will get here 2x minus 1500 is equals to 16,000. Okay, here minus 1500 ha RHS la shift karna, it will become plus, and then you will get here the answer. Okay, now next, Mr. Hiralal invested rupees 2,15,000 in a mutual fund. He got rupees 3,05,000 after 2 years. Mr. Ramanklal deposited rupees 1,40,000 at 8% compounded interest for 2 years. Okay, in a bank, find out the percentage gain of each of them whose investment was more profitable. Okay, now see this here. Solution. Mr. Hiralal investment in mutual fund rupees 2,15,000 received rupees 3,05,000. Okay, therefore the profit is equals to rupees 3,05,000 minus 2,15,000. Then you will get here rupees 90,000. Okay, हा झाला profit. Therefore the profit percentage is equals to profit upon investment into 100. प्रॉफिट किती येतं 90,000 अपॉन 2,15,000 इंटू 100 आणि सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केल्यानंतर काय मिळतं आपल्याला दॅट इज अ 41.86. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट प्रॉफिट ऑफ हिरालाल is 41.86%. This is the first one. Now next, Ramatnlal deposited rupees 1,40,000 in a bank at 8% compounded for 2 years. Okay. Therefore, A is equals to here P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Here 1,40,000 in bracket 1 plus 8 upon 100 bracket raised to 2. Therefore, see this here 1,40,000 1 plus 8 upon 100 means what? After simplification, याला इथे simplification करणार. 4 2s are 8, again 4 2s are 8. Okay, to 10 minus 8 you will get here 2, then 0, that is a 20, and 4 5s are 20, therefore you will get here 2 upon 25 after simplification. Okay, next, that is a 1 into 25 plus 2 upon 25 bracket is 2 2, that is 1,40,000. 25 plus 2 you will get here 27 upon 2 into 27 upon 2. याचा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर असल्यामुळे 2 टाइम्स, आणि नंतर हे सगळं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय मिळेल तर रुपीज 1,63,296. ओके, therefore here I compound interest I is equals to A minus P, that is rupees 1,63,296 minus 1,40,000. Then you will get here rupees 23,296. Okay, therefore Ramiklal got rupees 23,296 on deposited of, that is rupees 1,40,000. Okay, now therefore the gain percent, तर त्यांना त्याचं इंटरेस्ट किती मिळालं कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट 23,296 upon 1,40,000 into 100, that's equals to 16.64. Therefore Ramiklal gain is 16.64%. Okay, therefore from 1 and 2 Hiralal investment was more profitable. Okay, आणि त्यांचा प्रॉफिट किती होता तर तो 41.86%. Okay, easy example इथे. And the profit of Ramatnlal is 16.64%. Okay, therefore the Hiralal's investment was more profitable. बघू शकता इथे. Now next example number 4. At the start of a year, there were rupees 24,000 in a saving bank. After adding rupees 56,000 to this, the entire amount was deposited in the bank at 7.5% compounded interest. What will be the total amount after 3 years? Okay. Now solution. Rupees 24,000 in the saving account at the start of the year. Okay. Rupees 56,000 deposited. Okay. Therefore, total amount is rupees 24,000 plus 56,000. Then you will get here their total is rupees 80,000. Okay. Rupees 80,000 deposited at 7.5% compounded for 3 years. Okay. Therefore, A is equals to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. P is 80,000 in bracket 1 plus 7.5 upon 100 bracket raised to 3. That is 80,000 in bracket 1 plus 7.5 means what? 15 upon 2. इथे काय होणार 7.5 म्हणजे काय? तर तो 15 upon 2 होणार काय? That is 7.5 upon 100. 7.5 means what? 15 upon 2 and this divided by 100. Okay. Then you will get here 15 upon 2 into 100. You will get here 200. Okay. 15 upon 200. नंतर ते simplification करणार. That is 80,000 200 plus 15 upon 200 bracket raised to 3. Their total is 215 upon 200 bracket raised to 3. Next 215 upon 200, 215 upon 200, 215 upon 200. Okay, a simplification करना. Then you will get here 99,383.75. Okay, तुम्ही तुमच्या पद्धतीने ते कॅल्क्युलेशन करू शकताय. Okay, therefore the total amount after 3 years will be rupees 99,383.75. इझी एक्झाम्पल आहे. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्टचा या ठिकाणी फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केलेला आहे. Now next example. Mr. Manohar gave 20% part of his income to his elder son and 30% part to his younger son. He gave 10% of the balance as donation to a school. He still had rupees 1,80,000 for himself. What was Mr. Manohar's income? Okay, तर बघूया आपण solution. Let Manohar's income be rupees X. 20% of his income to elder son, 30% of his income to younger son. Their total is 20% plus 30%. That is the total is a 50% of his income to his sons. Okay. Remaining amount that is equals to rupees. त्यांच्याकडे किती होते आधी? His income is rupees X. The remaining amount किती? That is a X minus 50% of X. Okay. X minus 50% of X. 50 upon 100 into X. Then you will get here X minus X by 2. That is equals to rupees X by 2. This is the remaining amount. Okay. 10% of the balance rupees X upon 2 is donated to school. Therefore, donation to the school is equals to 10 upon 100 into X by 2. And after simplification, you will get here rupees X upon 20. Okay. Is that simplification? Then you will get here X upon 20. Okay. या प्रकारे इथे आपल्याला सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करता येईल. 10 ones are 1 and 10 tens are 100. Therefore, You will get here 1 upon 10. 1 into x is x, 10 into 2 is a 20. Therefore, donation to the school is rupees x upon 20. Okay. Now, next, the balance is equals to rupees x minus त्या मुलांना दिलेले रुपीज किती तर x/2 प्लस स्कूलला दिलेलं डोनेशन x/20 x/2 प्लस x/20 हे x मधनं मायनस करणार then you will get here multiply this x/2 to the numerator and denominator by 10 then you will get here 10x upon 20 plus x upon 20 that is a 10x plus x upon बेस दोघांचा कसा मिळणार तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी सेम मिळेल therefore 10x plus x upon 20 okay next simplification 10x plus x you will get here 11x x minus 11x upon 20 या 20x ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार 20x minus 11x upon 20 after simplification you will get here rupees 9x upon 20 okay the balance is given to be rupees 1,80,000 हा आपल्याला त्याने बॅलन्स दिलेला आहे आणि आपला बॅलन्स कॅल्क्युलेशन किती आलेला आहे तर रुपीज 9x upon 20 therefore 9x upon 20 is equals to 1,80,000 therefore x is equals to हा 20 इकडे डिवायडेड आहे तो RHS ला शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर मल्टिप्लाइड होणार 9 हा x ला मल्टिप्लाइड आहे तो RHS ला शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर ते डिवाइड होणार therefore you will get here 20,000 into 20 and that's equals to here 4 lakhs okay therefore your final Manohar's income was rupees 4 lakh okay तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय his income is x मुलांना दिलेले 50% that is x minus 50% of x remaining is x/2 आता x/2 चा किती तर तो 10% काय करतो डोनेशन देतो स्कूलला 10 upon 100 into x/2 that is x/20 okay therefore the balance is x minus x/2 मुलांना दिलेले आणि स्कूलला दिलेले डोनेशन या दोघांची टोटल x मधनं मायनस करणार आणि सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार therefore Manohar's income was rupees 4 lakhs okay now next example Kailash used to spend 85% of his income when his income increased by 36%. His expenses also increased by 40% of his earlier expenses. How much percentage of his earning he saves now? Okay. Now see this here. Let Kailash income be rupees X. He spent 85% of x that is a 0.85x therefore his income increased by next तर तो किती खर्च करतो 85% of x means what 85 upon 100 into x that is 0.85x his income increased by 36% therefore new income is x plus x into 36% okay नंतर आपल्याला दिलेले when his income increased by 36% आधीचं जे काही आहे त्याच्या किती 36% that is x plus x into 36% 36% means what again 36 upon 100 that is a 0.36x हे दोन्ही ऍडिशन करणार that is you will get here 1.36x okay his expenses increased by 40% त्याची एक्सपेन्सेस काय आता वाढलेली आहेत that is a प्रिव्हियस एक्सपेन्सेस किती होते तर 0.85x आणि त्याचा आपण किती पर्सेंट करणार तर 40% therefore 0.85x plus 40% of 0.85x या ठिकाणी ते मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार या दोघांमध्ये 40% of 0.85x ओके आणि त्यानंतर सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे that is a 0.85x plus 40% 40 upon 100 into 0.85x after simplification you will get here 0.34x and their addition is a 1.19x okay these are the expenses okay आणि न्यू इन्कम किती होतं त्यांचं 1.36x Therefore, now saving is equals to earning minus expense, that is rupees 1.36x minus 1.19x. Then you will get a rupees 0.17x. Therefore, percentage saving is equals to saving upon earning into 100. मग सेव्हिंग किती आहे तर 0.17x अपॉन 1.36x इंटू 100. नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. न्यूमेरेटरला आणि डिनोमिनेटरला इथे एक्स एक्स जाणार आणि मल्टिप्लाइड करणार न्यूमेरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बाय 100. 100 ने मल्टिप्लाइड केल्यानंतर 2 डेसिमल आपण राईटला जाणार. यू विल गेट हिअर टू द न्यूमेरेटर 70 अँड डिनोमिनेटर 136 इंटू 100. ओके, नेक्स्ट सिम्प्लिफिकेशन या ठिकाणी 17 ने करणार. ओके, 17 ones are 17 and 17 8s are 136. Therefore, you will get here 1 upon 8 into 100. 1 upon 8 means what? 0.125. 1 upon 8 म्हणजे काय तर 0.125 into जर आपण इथे 100 केलं तर 2 डेसिमल राईटला जाणार. देन यू विल गेट हिअर 12.5. ओके, therefore Kailash saving is 12.5%. ओके, पुन्हा इथे बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Now next example. Total income of Ramesh, Suresh and Preeti is rupees 8,07,000. The percentages of their expenses are 75%, 80%, 90% respectively. If the ratio of their savings is 16 as to 17 as to 12, then find the annual saving of each of them. Now solution. Let the annual incomes of Ramesh, Suresh and Preeti be rupees A, rupees B and rupees C respectively. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equals to 8,07,000. Okay, these are the annual income of all these three. The percentage of their expenses are 75%, 80%, 90% respectively. Therefore, सेव्हिंग ऑफ रमेश. ओके, रमेशचं इन्कम किती तर ए कन्सिडर केले आणि त्याचं एक्सपेन्सेस किती आहे तर 75%. दॅट इज ए मायनस 75% ऑफ ए मीन्स वॉट 75 अपॉन 100 इंटू ए. दॅट इज ए मायनस 75 अपॉन 100 इंटू ए. सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. देन यू विल गेट हिअर या 100 ने एला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 100 ए मायनस 75 ए अपॉन 100. ओके, देन यू विल गेट हिअर 25 A upon 100. Okay, 25 ने इथे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. Therefore, you will get here A by 4. This is the second question. Next, that of Suresh. Suresh's expenses किती तर 80%. Income किती तर B आहे. Therefore, B minus 80% of B. That is B minus 80% of B means what? 80 upon 100 इंटू बी. पुन्हा या 100 ने बी ला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार. देन मायनस 80b अपॉन 100. आफ्टर सबस्ट्रॅक्शन यू विल गेट हिअर 20b अपॉन 100. पुन्हा इथे लोएस्ट करणार हा 20 ones are 20 and 20 5s are 100. Then you will get here b by 5. This is the third one. And that is the last one, that is a Preeti. ओके, तिचं इन्कम किती तर सी आहे आणि ती किती एक्सपेन्सेस आहे 90% ऑफ सी. दॅट इज सी मायनस 90 अपॉन 100 इंटू सी. ओके, therefore that is 100 into c. You will get here 100c minus 90c upon 100. सबस्ट्रॅक्शन किती आलं तर 10c upon 100. पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन ते इज आहे. 10 ones are 1 and 10 10s are 100. Then you will get here c upon 10. This is the fourth one. Okay, their savings are in the ratio 16 as to 17 as to 12. Let the common multiple of these ratio be x. Therefore, then their savings are rupees 16x, rupees 17x, and rupees 12x respectively. Therefore, from 2, 3, 4, and 5, you will get here a by 4 is equals to 16x, okay, b by 5 is equals to 17x. या सर्व त्यांच्या काय आल्या तर त्या सेव्हिंग्ज आहेत, ओके. आणि त्या ठिकाणी आपण तिथे कॉमन मल्टिपल पण कन्सिडर केलं तर एक्स, ओके. दीज आर देअर सेव्हिंग्ज. बी बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 17x, सी बाय 10 इज इक्वल्स टू 12x. आता यावरून आपल्याला एबीसीच्या पण व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी मिळतील. देअरफॉर ए इज इक्वल्स टू, या 4 ने 16x ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार, देन यू विल गेट हियर a इज इक्वल्स टू 64x, b इज इक्वल्स टू 85x, c is equals to 120x. Okay. Now next, a plus b plus c is equals to 64x plus 85x plus 120x. Their total is a 269x. Therefore 269x is equals to 8,07,000, and hence therefore from 1 we will get here, that is a x is equals to 8,07,000 upon 269. Therefore आफ्टर सिम्प्लिफिकेशन यू विल गेट हियर, तुम्ही इथे डिवाइड करू शकताय तुमच्या पद्धतीने. आफ्टर सिम्प्लिफिकेशन हियर यू विल गेट हियर x इज इक्वल्स टू 3000. देअरफॉर अॅन्युअल सेव्हिंग ऑफ रमेश इज 16x, म्हणजे काय तर 16 इंटू 3000, दॅट इज रुपीज 48,000. and that of Suresh 17x, 17 into 3000, that is rupees 51,000, and that of Preeti, that is a 12x, 12 into 3000, that is rupees 36,000. Okay, and hence the annual savings of Ramesh, Suresh, and Preeti are, that is a 48,000, 51,000, and 36,000 rupees respectively. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay, and finally this next example, compute the income tax payable by following individual. Mr. Kadam, who is 35 years old and has a taxable income of rupees 13 lakhs 35,000. Okay. Mr. Khan is 65 years of age and his taxable income is rupees 4 lakh 50,000. And third one, Miss Varsha, age 26 years, has a taxable income of rupees 2 lakh 30,000. Now solution. Okay. First काय दिले त्याने, मिस्टर कदम, एज किती आहे तर 35 years old. Okay. His taxable income is rupees 13 lakhs 35,000. Income tax is more than 10 lakhs. Therefore, income tax is equals to rupees up to 10 lakhs किती असणार आहे तर 1,12,500 plus 30% on taxable income minus 10 lakhs. Okay. Therefore, 10 lakhs minus केलं तर किती येतील 13 lakhs 35,000 minus 10 lakhs, you will get here 3 lakhs 35,000. Okay. मग 3 lakhs 35,000 यावर ॲट द रेट किती 30% ने इन्कम टॅक्स हा कॅल्क्युलेट होणार आहे. दॅट इज 30% ऑफ 3 lakh 35,000. 30 upon 100 into 3 lakh 35,000. Okay. Therefore, after calculation, you will get here 1,05,000. Okay. या दोघांची जर टोटल केली, then you will get here rupees 2,13,000. Education cess is 2% of income tax. That is 2 upon 100 into 2,13,000. That is, you will get here rupees 4,260. Now secondary and higher secondary education cess is 1% of income tax. That is 1 upon 100 into 2,13,000. Okay. Then you will get here rupees 2,130. Therefore, total income tax is equals to rupees 2,13,000 plus 4,260 plus 2,130, and therefore the total is rupees 2,19,390. Okay. Therefore, Mr. Kadam will have to pay rupees 2,19,390 income tax. Okay. Now, second, Mr. Khan is a 65 years old and his taxable income is a 4,50,000. Okay. As per table number 2, he has to pay income tax. ते कसे तर ते सिनियर सिटीजन आहे, त्यांना 3 lakhs टू अप टू 5 lakhs रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट किती असणार आहे? रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हा 5% असणार आहे. इन्कम टॅक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 5% ऑन टॅक्सेबल इन्कम मायनस 3 lakhs. ओके. आता या ठिकाणी दॅट इज अ 5% ऑफ rupees 4,50,000 minus 3 lakhs. Then you will get here 5 upon 100 into 1,50,000. Okay. 1,50,000 चा 5% किती? That is rupees 7,500. Education says is a 2% of income tax. Okay. 2 upon 100 into 7,500, that is equals to rupees 150. 150. Okay. Now next, secondary and higher education says is 1% of income tax, that is a 1 upon 100 into 7,500. Then you will get here rupees 75. Therefore, total tax is equals to rupees 7,500 plus 150 plus 75. Therefore, that is equals to rupees 7,725. Okay. Therefore, Mr. Khan will have to pay rupees 7,725 income tax. Okay. Now, third one, Miss Varsha is 26 years old and her taxable income is rupees 2,30,000. Okay. As per the table 1, her income is less than rupees 2,50,000. Therefore, Miss Varsha will not have to pay income tax. Okay. Now, again, we will see all examples on a single slide. एका स्लाइड वरती आपण हे सर्व बघूया. कदमांचे घेतले सुरुवातीला. नेक्स्ट मिस्टर खान. ओके. आणि त्याचबरोबर मिस वर्षा. ओके. And in this way, we have completed this problem set of financial planning. Okay. यानंतर तुम्हाला पुढचा व्हिडिओ कोणता पाहिजे हे तुम्ही नक्की कॉमेंट बॉक्समधनं मला कळवा. आणि तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ कुठनं बघताय ते देखील मला कॉमेंट बॉक्समधनं कळवा. व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर तो लाईक करा, तुमच्या मित्रांमध्ये देखील तो शेअर करा. यानंतर पुन्हा भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत नमस्ते.